Test, test.
Action.
Hi, my name is Justin. I'm a tour guide for MyProGuide. Today,
Action.
Hi, today I'm going to take you to Hualien, so come with me, let's go! There are many choices for going to Hualien from Taipei. Here we are at Taipei Main Station, and today I'm taking the Hualien Express Railway to go to Hualien.
用是普悠玛自强号，在第四月台 A 侧跨口。
I recommend Hualien because it's the fastest train you can arrive Hualien in just about 2 hours. This is Hualien Main Station. There are so many attractions that you should visit in Hualien. Today, I'm going to show you my top 3 on the list. Here we are at Hualien Cultural and Creative Industrial Park. This park is located in the center of Hualien City, and the Creative Park's grounds were originally built 100 years ago as part of a winemaking factory. Many exhibitions and activities are held here. Some constructions in the complex are remnants of the Japanese-occupied period. Especially the chimney was the highest construction at the time that became the symbol of this park afterward. There is no need for entrance fee when you're visiting this park. Next attraction I'd like to show you is Hualien Railway Cultural Park. It is just a few blocks away from Hualien Cultural and Creative Industrial Park. In the old days, this place used to be called Hualien Harbor Branch Office of Railway Department. It was the headquarters that controlled the Hualien-Taidong line. The gauge for this line is unique. It is different from the West line. The width of this line is narrow, and it was abandoned after the new line that placed closer to the city center was built. At this site, you can rent a traditional Chinese outfit to wear and take a great photo. Also, there is an old-fashioned cafe shop where you can enjoy your coffee or tea like you are waiting a train on the platform. There are also many love signs to be found as decoration for travelers or couples to take wedding photos and make fun memories.
来坐船了，金世界，哇！
This is Hualien Port area. From here, you can take a boat and go out to the Pacific Ocean, not only to enjoy the view, but also to enjoy whale watching. There are killer whales, humpback whales, and sperm whales. There are also lots of dolphins that will dance in and out of the wave in large groups, just a feet from the boat. Watching these incredible creatures with the beautiful cliff coastline is the most amazing activity that you can enjoy in Hualien.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm your tour guide from MyProGuide. Hope to see you next time on our trip. See ya!
Good.